Hey everybody, it's Plastic Man with another quick fix, or so I thought. What we're doing today is replacing the center hinge on a sliding door on our 2011 Toyota Sienna. As you can see here, I've already replaced it, but what I'm going to tell you are some tips that will help you do this, because this was not easy. As a matter of fact, it was an utter pain in the rear. So anyway, what you got to do to change this center hinge right here, and what happens is the door, it makes a big clunking sound and it doesn't close right when this thing goes, so you got to replace it. Toyota used to replace these things under warranty for like 10 years, but this is out of the warranty, so I'm doing it on mine. So what you got to do here first, as you can see there are holes, two holes right here that had bolts in them, and you got to remove these first underneath here. You can either go inside or you can be outside, however it's easiest for you. I kind of did a little bit of both, to be honest with you. And then what you have to do before you take these bolts off right here, there's 3 bolts here, you really need to put something underneath the door. And I've got my floor jack here with a piece of wood under the corner. That's all you really need to do. You got to hold that up while you change this. Make sure that is down there and holding up the door before you go ahead and take this off. But once you get it off, it's pretty easy. These bolts are on there really tight, and I think they're so what you really need to do is break them free with either one of these type of wrenches, okay, or what I ended up doing after that didn't work, I used one of these to get it off, to break them free. And this is a strip nut remover, or bolt remover, 12 millimeter. These guys are 12 millimeters, these guys are 10 millimeters. If you're really worried about it, get some extra bolts from the Toyota dealership. They're pretty cheap, probably about the only thing that's cheap there. So anyway, once you break these free with either one of these, or like I said, a wrench, you don't want to use a socket or you will totally gum these things up, okay? So once you break them free, you get them loose, this thing wiggles out pretty easily, and you have to push it all the way forward to the front up here and turn it upwards to get it out, okay? So, and I actually did it, I put this in from the inside, and all I did was the reverse of what I just told you. I kind of turned it up, put it in the little rail there, and moved it over here, and always keeping my floor jack down there, okay, holding that up until I get these things, these bolts here snugged. But I just wanted to let you know, you really need to be careful with this, baby these bolts, or you'll be using one of these like I did. But I am just about done here. I just got to throw these last 2 bolts in right here and here and snug these guys up, and this baby will be smooth as butter. So that's the tip for today. This is not a quick fix. It's not for the lighthearted, but if you're any way mechanical, you can do it. All right, kids, that's all we got for you today. Take care.